flow. In this example, we're going to see how Excel uses the if function to determine the outcome for a given set of conditions. The if function structure looks like this. If a logical test is true, then the result is that, and then if the result is false, then the outcome is that. In this case, we want to see if the test result for the student is greater than or equal to the pass mark. We want to see pass, and if it's less than the pass mark, we want to see fail. Okay, so what does that look like? Well, we enter the function equals if, open bracket, the logical test, which is the test result, is greater than, equal to, pass mark, comma, then we have pass, close quote, comma, if not, then we have fail, close quote, close bracket, enter. There we go, that's great. Now there'll be one more thing you need to do if we want to simply replicate this down there. Oh, that actually doesn't work properly. It looks like it works, but it doesn't. So the issue we have here is we only, the test result moves relative to the position, but the pass mark doesn't. So we need to lock that pass mark. So let's scrap those entries. In order to lock this position here of the pass mark, we use the $sign. So we can do, instead of C19, well, to lock C19, we can do $C and $19. That locks the position, and then when we replicate the formula down the list, we see here that the test for the student moves on, but the reference to the pass mark stays the same. So C19 is locked by the $sign, but the student reference number here moves along. And then we can use this formula. We can make good use of the formula. We can change the pass mark to a different value, and we'll see a different set of results. Let's see if we can go to 50. These should turn to pass marks, and as they do. There we go. So you can set any value, and that will be automatically adjusted. That's a great use of the if function.